What's going on, family? Back with another video, and as you could tell, we're working on, I guess, the braking system in a way. Now, I have DOT3 brake fluid, which is kind of one of the most commons. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to save money by replacing your own brake fluid. Now, big automotive repair shops charge you an arm and a leg just to do something that you can do with a simple turkey baster or fluid extractor and a brake fluid tester, and obviously some brake fluid. Let's get to the video, man. All right, man, so let's go over something very simple. Now, brake fluid is hydroscopic. Now that means that it attracts water, and water in brake fluid causes corrosion. It also causes
brake performance degradation due to the water turning to steam during braking, causing a spongy pedal.
So how these testers work is it measures everything by a percentage of how much moisture is in the water. So these two connections are electrical connections, and they check the conductivity of the water. Now, when we test on DOT3, and this liquid is at 3%, now 0 to 2% is reasonable, 2 to 3% is bad, and anything over 3% is recommended to replace immediately. So this brake fluid is bad. Obviously the color gives you an indication on how bad it is or how old it is. So let's replace this fluid. Old fluid goes back in here. New fluid goes back in. Now that that's done, we can throw our cap back on. And that's how easy it is to replace your brake fluid. Now, there will be some in here and some in your line, but if you do this reservoir is 90% of your brake fluid. So it'll slowly mix in and create an environment that's better than if you didn't do this at all. Okay, family, with this method, man, this works with DOT3, DOT4, the synthetic oils. It works with all DOT types. It also works for power steering fluid, not the tester, but just extracting the fluid and then replacing it. So, hey man, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It keeps us going. So until next time, peace.